Alright, to start finding x and y intercepts of polynomials, you're going to want to break down into factors. And so as you see, you need 6. So what multiplies to 6 but equals -5 would be a -2 and a -3. And then you go x, so you have your factors. Then for the x-intercept, you're going to set your factors equal to 0. And then that one's going to be 2. So equals 2. And then this one equals set to 0 plus 3 is going to be 3. And then for the y-intercept, you're going to go back to the top equation, and you're going to plug in 0 for x, so 0, and then 0, so that's going to be 0, 0, and then it'd just be 6. And then next equation, same thing, you're going to break down your factors, but now you have a 2x, so you got to get 2x and x for your factors. And you got to find what multiplies into 20, so to me, -4 and -5 stick out the most, so you gotta find out how those two could maybe go into -13. So it'd be 2x minus 5 and x minus 4, so that when you multiply it out, it goes back into that equation. Set those equal to 0 again for the x-intercept. This one would be 4, and this one would be 5 over 2. So x in 5 over 2 and 4. And then the y-intercept, you plug in 0 for that, 0 for that. And then it'd just be 20. And then for this one, same thing, you're gonna want to break it down into 2x and x. And then what goes in -36? 6 and 6 usually goes in that. So then you see you have a -6. So what times 2 makes -6 but then equals 36? You're gonna want to have a -6 over here and a +6 over here, so that when you multiply it all over, get that equation. And then that's gonna be, you're gonna set these equal to 0. So that one's gonna be -6 divided by 2. So it's gonna be 6 over 2, which is 3. So x equals 3, and then this one equals 0. And you're gonna equal 6. That one's gonna be 6. Then you're gonna plug in the 0 for the y. 0 cross 0, and it's gonna be -36.